Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to class 3. I am Karishma Patel, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start our first chapter, chapter number 1, where to look from. So let's start. There are 3 topics: different views, Rangoli, and line of symmetry. Start with the different views. Any object that we can see around us, that we can view different ways. For example, this car. If you can see this car from the top side, front side, bottom side, it will look different. See the first view. First view of car is side view. If you look car from the side, it will look like this. If you see car from the top side, it will look like a rectangle. And if you will see car from the front side, it will look like this. Now see another example. Look at this table. If you see this table from the front side, this is a front view. If you will look this table from the top side, it will look like a square. And if you will see this table from the side, it will look like this picture. Now come to your textbook. Our teacher told us to draw some picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited, but Anshul started laughing. Why? Because he was looking at the Dheeraj drawing of car. See the both drawing. Dheeraj drew the top view of the car and Anshul drew side view of the car. Both the pictures are correct, but the views are different. Have you looked the things from the different side? Yes. Do they look the same or different? No, they look different. Now look at this table. First picture of table is a side view and second picture is a top view. Which picture is from the top? So second picture is from the top. Some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. See the pressure cooker, slipper, star fruit, drawer. If you see these pictures from the top side, it will look like below picture. So our answer is yes. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Kids, you can find where the teacher is. The teacher is standing in front of students and near the table. Question B. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. First picture of staircase. If you look staircase from the side, it will look like this. Second picture is also staircase. If you see the staircase from the front side, it will look like this. Third picture is of table. If you will see table from the top side, it will look like this. Chair. If you see chair from the side, it will look like this. Pencil. When your pencil is not sharp from the top side, it will look like this. If you see the bus from the side, it will look like this. So here you have to write the different views of the pictures. Draw the top view of the few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Here I draw a picture of bed, cup and weight from the top side. Our second topic is Rangoli. A Rangoli is a colorful design made on the floor and near the entrance of our house for welcoming guests. Most commonly, our mother and sister draw a Rangoli in a Diwali festival. Rangoli, also known as a kolam, is a folk art from the India. Here Meenakshi made some beautiful rangolis using these dots. Here boy is asking, have you ever made a rangoli? So yes, I have made simple rangoli during Diwali. Here some example of rangoli design you can make at your home. You can also try and use the dots given below to make the patterns. Two examples have been drawn here. Here I made some design. You can make your own designs. Some more example. Complete this figure to make squares and rectangle. So here I complete these figures and make squares and rectangle. Our next topic is symmetry. Now what is symmetry? The imaginary line or axis along which you fold a figure to obtain a symmetrical havels is called the line of symmetry. It is basically divide an object into two mirror havels. There are two types of line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. See some example in which vertical line of symmetry is drawn. It will divide into two mirror havels. Tit for tat. One day Amina met a painter. What Amina said? Can you make my picture? Painter said, yes, but I will charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, a painter showed her picture. But here, painter drew only half picture of Amina. That's why Amina is sad. She asked the painter. Painter says the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get a complete picture. Now can I get my money? Then Amina has a trick. Amina gave only 100 rupee note to the painter. So painter says, this is only half the money. Then Amina says the other half is exactly same. So just put a mirror next to the note and get a full money. This is a very funny story. Here painter draws half pictures. Then I completed the full picture. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing the pictures of the following? No, because if we cut these pictures into two havels, both the parts are different, not equal. So our answer is no. For this drawing we cannot repeat the painter's trick, and here you have to draw a symmetrical object. So here I draw a picture of a duck, letter J and umbrella, which cannot divide into two equal parts. Mirror havels. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two mirror havels? So first picture, it's a diagonal line cutted this triangle into similar mirror havels, yes or no? Yes. Next, vertical line of symmetry. So this picture divide into two similar mirror havels, yes. Next, No, upper part is bigger and lower part is different. So it will not divide the picture into two similar mirror havels. So our answer is no. Fourth picture. Both the parts are different. So our answer is no. Third picture. This triangle is divided into two similar mirror havels. Yes. Next, the tree is divided horizontally. So both parts are the different. So our answer is no. Letter B is divided horizontally. So both parts are the same. So our answer is yes. Next, letter T. Vertical line of symmetry. So the dotted line divide each part equally. So our answer is yes. Next, both parts are the different. So our answer is no. Again, upper part and lower part are different. So our answer is no. This heart is divided equally into two similar havels. So our answer is yes. Capital letter M is also divided into two similar mirror havels. So our answer is yes. Next, this triangle also divided into two equal parts. So our answer is 2. Yes. Next picture is also cutted vertically and it will divide into two equal parts. So our answer is yes. Next picture. Both parts are the different, so it is not mirror havels. And next, here also both parts are different, so our answer is no. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned different views, rangoli and line of symmetry. Bye bye students, take care.